What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my corner, guys. We got another video lined up for you in the Pixel 11 Pro XL series. And you guys already see, okay, I'm not going to make y'all wait, but I will tell you that it's worthwhile seeing if this case is worth it, especially if you are a fan of low profile, ultra thin aramid fiber cases. So in case you're not familiar, this is the Latercase brand. If you've ever watched a channel called Unboxing Therapy, I believe this is his brand that he's kind of like, helped pioneer and start. But this is coming to me, guys. Full transparency up front. This was sent over to me, okay, by Nick and the Latercase team. So shout out to you, Nick. You're a real one. Appreciate you for sending over this Latercase for the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Full discretion, which I already know this because I've already put this on the phone just to test it out. But this is a pre-production model, so if you notice kind of anything's off or a little bit weird, that would be why. But again, I've already tested out and it fit perfectly. But for y'all, let's go ahead and see what we got with Latercase, okay? So Latercase, this is my second exposure to them, guys. My first one I did for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So I'll go ahead and link that video somewhere on your screen right now so y'all can check that out. But Latercase went ahead and made one for the Pixel 11 Pro XL series. You guys can see right here, it says designed in Toronto, Canada, made with Kevlar aramid fibers. And I really like the way that they package this. Like, it's just very impressive, the time and the energy they invested in their packaging. So in here, no frills, you've got the case. Simply got some social media stuff in there. And again, it tells you that there's a QR code on here to share with your friends so they can get a little discount. Okay, so when you get yours, don't just throw away this nice box. Share it with your friends. So let me give you guys a quick run through of this brand and what they got to offer. They're impossibly thin, featherweight. The pattern on this aramid fiber is supposed to be superior texture, 5 times stronger than steel, ultra precise rather, and very easy installation. Okay, so thank you again, Latercase, for sending this over for review. Let's take a look at it, y'all, and put it through the Bobby G paces. No BS, no frills around here, folks. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is weigh this mamma jamma. So let's see how much this Latercase that is supposedly ultralight and ultra thin weighs. Guys, if you can believe it, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is 19 grams. Let's reset it, okay? 19 grams on the money right there. Now, when they say ultra thin, y'all, they're not playing around, okay? Look, you guys can see right here, it's still very rigid, and somehow miraculously, with it being this thin, they still found a way to include MagSafe. I'm no engineer here, so I don't know how they did this black magic, but yeah, it's pretty legit, okay? So very nice aramid fiber case. That texture is on point. They say it's easy to install, y'all. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Okay, one side, other side, pops on super easy. And let's take y'all around for a ride on this case, okay? Starting with the left side, you do have a completely covered aramid fiber case on that side. Going around at the top, the way they do this Latercase for this Pixel Pro 11 Pro XL is they leave you an opening all the way at the top. So it's got that open cutout for the top with your microphone access. On the right side, y'all, power, volume up, volume down. Easy access for that, cutout. On the bottom, again, cutout for your microphone, your speaker, and your USB-C. So we're going to have no problem when we get to our USB-C, USB-C. Oh my God, I can't say that. USB-C fit check right here. Okay, so we have no problem with that. On the back, it is going to be even on the back right there. So no raised corners down there. But what's really cool about this case is you can see your camera hump is fully enclosed right here. Okay, so that camera hump is fully enclosed and protected. So shout out to Latercase for looking out for the protection for your cameras. All right, let's take a look at the front right here. Now, this is where things get interesting, okay, guys? Now, when it comes to the front screen, if you guys can see right here, it's gonna be pretty flush, okay? Very flush with that front. Okay, I have got a D's brand prism screen, and I think without the protector, it'd be a little bit recessed. But with the screen protector, that face down protection is flush with your Latercase. Okay, so this is what I would probably do if I was buying the Latercase, right? I would keep this on its back so I don't have to worry about it because the camera area is fully encapsulated, fully protected. I would stay away from the face down protection unless you want to scratch your screen protector. I would stay away from that, okay? So let's go ahead and put it through our 3 test, our battery test, Bobby G style. Rapid fire. First one, obviously this is going to pass because it's fully open. If it didn't, I would be worried. It's our USB check. So you guys can see right there, because of the way it's designed and open, no problem with USB fit. Okay, so beyond that, let's check our MagSafe, aka wireless, aka Pixel Snap. Okay, so our Pixel Snap on here. Okay, you guys can see our Pixel Snap is working good on that as well. Now let's check the magnet strength, because I think we're going to be impressed. So if you guys see right here, look at that Latercase. Look at that Latercase. Look how strong, just with the MagSafe, guys, because normally the MagSafe isn't strong enough to hold the phone. With this Latercase, man, they are working some kind of engineering magic on the inside there. So we got those 2 tests done. You know, the third and final test is going to be our Kamolo tripod. Will the Latercase for the Pixel 11 Pro XL pass our shake and bake test? Let's shake the crap out of it and find out. Okay. Latercase. I don't know what magic y'all working over there, but your case passed the Bobby G shake and bake test. So congratulations over there, y'all. Give yourself a big round of applause. You've got some insanely crazy strong magnets on here. Okay, so that's what's up. All right, guys, so let me just go ahead and give you my final thoughts as we close out this video and get you guys back to your life. Number one, hopefully up until this point, you've already liked, commented, and subscribed to this channel. And you've also helped me spread the love by hyping this video. Okay, that's my first appeal to you. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about who I feel like this case is good for and who this case may not be good for. Okay, so first and foremost, this case is going to be good for someone that appreciates barely anything there, meaning a very minimal, very lightweight, basically like you are carrying the phone almost naked. Okay, that's how this feels right here. It feels like almost it's just me and the phone. There's not even a case there. Okay, you're really careful with your phone. You don't worry about dropping it. Okay, even if you do drop it, your back is going to be fully protected there. Okay, the fit is excellent. The aramid fiber, excellent feel, excellent texture on there. It seems like it's somewhat resistant to fingerprints and body oils. Only time will tell. Design on this, guys, is on point, and I believe this retails. Hold on, guys. Let me tell you real quick. This is going to retail for $59 even on the website, okay? And I'll have the link in the description for you guys to be able to buy it using my link and to help support the channel, okay? So this is going to be that case. Now, if you're looking for something more bulky, more thick, a higher raised front lip, way more better corner protection, no openings to your case, this will not be the one for you, okay? There are other ones out there. For example, I'll link a couple of videos that I've got if you're looking for a more durable, more protective, more encapsulating case. Okay, again, this is for my folks who are looking for minimal, people that love that aramid fiber and are down to risk it a little bit because it is impossibly thin. Okay, guys? So let me know in the comment section, guys, your thoughts, your opinions, your feedback. You gonna rock with this Latercase? You gonna help support the cause of aramid fiber, aka thin, rocking our phones naked? Or are you more of a no, Bobby, I want something super rugged, super thick, and super protective? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Appreciate you hanging around with Bobby. It's your boy. I'm out until the next video. Peace.